Good day, and how's it going? Recently it just snowed here in Southern Ontario, and that means our focus is switching from the open water season to the hard water. I recently just picked up this Frable HQ 6-person shelter, and I want to know, can we make it warmer for less than $10? Let's find out. What we're going to be doing today is modifying our Frable HQ 6-person shelter with these 2 moving blankets that I got for less than $10. We're going to go ahead and attach them to the ceiling inside the hut, and since heat rises, that's where we're going to lose our most heat. So putting these moving blankets there will add an extra layer of insulation, and we'll see what happens with our heat retention. During our test today, we're going to monitor what the temp is inside the hut to start, what the temp is after the heater's been running for 15 minutes on high, and what the temp gets down to after 15 minutes of the heater off. We're going to be doing this test twice, once without the moving blankets on the ceiling and once with the moving blankets on the ceiling, just to see how much of a difference it will make. Let's get to it. And the results are in, and I am surprised. I didn't think they're going to do that well, but they did pretty good. The science behind it all worked out in the end. We started off with an outside temperature of 0 degrees. The temp inside the tent was 4 degrees to start. After 15 minutes running on high, the temperature got up to 16 degrees. After 15 minutes of the heater off, we got down to 6 degrees. Now, when we put the heated blankets in, it was -2 outside, 2 degrees in the tent, and after the heater ran for 15 minutes, it got up to 17 degrees inside the tent. And let me tell you, when I went in, the heat was right here at the head level. So if we put a fan in, circulated that around up here, that would be a game changer as well. But then after the heater was turned off, it went down to 10 degrees. So we lost less heat in that time, and we retained more, and it got hotter quicker. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas of what I should do to this ice hut, make sure you leave it in the comments below. And remember, fish on.